Welcome to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the best mixing bowl stainless steel nesting lid set. A complete kitchen companion designed to make cooking, baking, prepping, and serving easier and more enjoyable. This set by CHAREADA isn't just a collection of bowls. It's a thoughtfully designed toolkit that blends durability, versatility, and convenience. First, let's talk about build quality. These mixing bowls are constructed from high-quality food-grade stainless steel, featuring a mirror finish interior and a matte finish exterior that resists fingerprints. Not only does this make them look sleek and professional, but the material is shock-proof and rust-proof, ensuring long-lasting performance. Unlike plastic bowls, you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. These bowls are built for both everyday use and serious cooking. One standout feature is the non-slip silicone bottom. If you've ever had your bowl slide across the counter while whisking or kneading dough, you'll appreciate this. The silicone base stabilizes the bowl, giving you full control and preventing spills. It also makes the bowls more comfortable to grip and move around the kitchen. Now let's look at versatility. This set includes 7 different bowl sizes: 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3.5, 4, 5.5, and 7 quarts. That range means you have the right bowl whether you're whisking eggs, mixing pancake batter, marinating meat, or tossing a salad. And since they nest neatly together, they save space in your kitchen cabinets or pantry. On top of that, the set comes with useful kitchen tools including a basting brush, a spreader spatula, a flexible spatula, and an egg whisk, giving you more ways to make the most of the bowls. Food storage is another area where these bowls shine. Each bowl comes with its own airtight, BPA-free lid. When you push the lid down, it creates a secure seal that keeps your food fresh and clean. Whether you're prepping ahead for the week or just storing leftovers, these lids turn your mixing bowls into storage containers that fit perfectly in your refrigerator. Ease of use and cleaning are also strong points. The bowls are dishwasher safe, making cleanup quick and easy, while the lids are best washed by hand to prolong their life. The sizes are also designed to fit on standard refrigerator shelves, adding to their practicality. In terms of gifting, this set is a great choice for weddings, bridal showers, or housewarmings. Its combination of elegance and utility makes it a standout option for anyone who enjoys cooking or baking. To sum it up, the CHAREADA stainless steel mixing bowls with airtight lids deliver on durability, stability, versatility, and convenience. They're a smart investment for any kitchen, whether you're an everyday cook or a passionate baker. If you're looking for a reliable set that saves space, keeps your food fresh, and makes cooking easier, this is one of the best options on the market. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more kitchen essentials broken down in detail, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for our next deep dive.